up to Narendra Modi ji. You will know.
Guys, I'm walking on the streets of Kanyakumari. Guys, tender coconut water, famous of South India. We are going to drink now. Guys, we are drinking this tender coconut water. This is so fresh and tasty. What is it coming only?
No bend. Take another straw.
Not coming.
थोड़ा ऊपर रख के पी लो अब हिंदी है ऊपर रख के पी लो नीचे तो पतला सांस होता है वो बंद कर रहा है
And now it's coming.
हाँ
You drank
Yeah, please.
so fast.
अरे ऊपर रख के पी लो
This coconut has so much of water.
Finish?
How does it taste? I have never tried it. Wow, so
और भी पानी है
It takes for you. Please help me.
it's so nice. It's removing for me the peel, not peel from the inside.
चालीस चालीस
It's good for body heat. People are so nice in Kanyakumari. Thank you. Spoon, see the pulp. I don't know what that thing is called. This is 40 rupees. And this is so natural. It is so fresh. Whenever you are coming to Kanyakumari, don't forget to visit Uncle's shop. I'm eating this for the first time here. I don't like
For stomach cooling.
this. Oh. Thank you so much. People are so nice. So guys, this is the entrance of boating. If you want to see the temple and Saint Tiruvalluvar's statue. This is red coconut you can see. And this is the time. At least here you can find things in English. Otherwise it's so difficult. We don't go. I did not bring mask also, it's in my bag. This is the boat fare if you want to see that Saint Tiruvalluvar's statue in the temple. Per head 50 rupees, special entry ticket is 200. I'm not going there because it's a waste only because I saw from outside. It's so nice to be in Kanyakumari. That is the government bus stand if you can see there. Yeah.
From here also you can see.
Yeah. From here also you can see Saint Tiruvalluvar's statue. You should just Google on internet Sant Tiruvalluvar and you should read about it. I had a chapter when I was in class 6th or 7th about him
You pass or fail?
in Hindi. I passed.
There's a helipad.
Oh,
Government helipad there.
and there is government helipad. Oh, that is government helipad there. Yeah. I'm so happy and glad to touch the end point of India. It is Kanyakumari. Now only Kashmir is left. This is archaeological monuments near with Kanyakumari. You can see that all the details and everything. Tourist information center. You can get all the information from here. This is the tourist information center. The ambience is so calm and peaceful over here. That's all the tables you can see here. Again, decoration. And this is museum, government museum, Kanyakumari. This looks like Easter Island if you see the statues. Oh, that has, yeah, this one they have used it for war. Cannon acquired near Vata, Kotai, Kanyakumari district. This they used to use during the festival. Yeah, the statues you can see, Ayappan and all that. All gods, no?
Yeah.
All different kinds of gods. Statues you can see. Lord Ganesha. Dinosaur. It's so funny. Now from here you can see the helipad. You can see the markings over there, white. Yeah. See? Helipad. Yeah. And that is the government tourist houses. And now we are almost done with Kanyakumari. So guys, I'm done with Kanyakumari now. I have seen the end point of India. Kanyakumari. That is the point, yeah, where you can see Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal meeting, but they don't mix with each other.
Evening is the right time to visit Kanyakumari. Only early morning or evening only.
Okay. So guys, whenever you are coming to Kanyakumari, try to visit in the early morning, otherwise in the early,
Midtime is not up.
yeah, evening. Afternoon or after 9, it's not a good time to visit because it's so sunny, so windy. And that is the sunset view tower. He's saying this time is only for lovers. And you can see they're going. That is so funny. Yeah. Afternoon is for couples or lovers.
Okay.
Yeah. Now guys, this is the end of Kanyakumari. Yes guys, if you are in Kanyakumari and if you get in any kind of emergency situation, then there is the number. You can note it down. You can call on this number and they will help you. So guys, it will take only 15 to 20 minutes. Explore all the major attractions of Kanyakumari.
Apart from Kanyakumari, there are so many places. That Sanguturai beach, Muttam beach, that Mathur hanging bridge, Sidaral fall, Sidaral temple. So many places, more than 20 places here. But now the government give red alert not to travel in Kanyakumari district for the heavy rain and wind. Thunder like that. So simply, all this time only safe in home. But we had a friendship only. I came here and explore the places.
Oh, I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much for showing me around.
For staying in this place. Sparsa.
Yes, this is Hotel Sparsa. You can see.
Stay.
Yeah.
You can put around inside.
Yes.
Very nice place.
Oh, this place is really nice. We are just going to show you this place. We are going to take around and you will get to see this place. See. The ambience is really nice. It is so peaceful. They have park kind of thing also.
Any tea like that.
Yeah, you can stay here if you are coming to Kanyakumari. This is Sparsa.
Good hotel for stay, Sparsa. National. Very nice. The lawn available for displaying.
There is a park, beaches in front of this hotel, Hotel Sparsa. So whenever you are coming to Kanyakumari, you can stay here. The ambience is really nice. So this is from inside. You work here or it is yours? Hello, namaste. Hi. This is the hotel from inside. Wow, they have all the collections.
So many famous celebrity signature in the seashells.
Okay.
The Kanyakumari MP, the Amitabh Bachchan,
Okay.
Rajinikanth, celebrity signatures.
Okay, so here they have signatures of all the famous celebrities.
They put the signature in there.
Yeah. Actor Chiranjeevi, South Indian actor. Amitabh Bachchan, signature over there, and then you can see the signatures of all the famous celebrities over here. India. Yeah, Kanyakumari is really nice. Look at the view from here. This is so amazing.
Dive from here.
Yeah, I can jump from here. Swimming pool is there. This hotel is really nice. So guys, if you are coming to Kanyakumari, you can stay in this hotel. Name I told you.
I visited Goa while I am studying my 10th standard. Goa, Kalinga Beach, Baga and Vasco. I visited. It's a very good experience. Through couch surfing, I got a message yesterday. She want to explore the place Kanyakumari. I'm busy, but I give you a commitment. Okay, I will come like that. Morning is very raining. Today morning very raining. Thunder, wind. Government give red alert, but I promised we can see like that. Yesterday she stayed in Kudangulam, Anuvijay Township, one of couch surfing friend, and she came by bus by Kanyakumari, and after that I picked a car and we travel all the places, the Kamarajar Memorial, Gandhi Memorial, and Thiruvallur statue, the ferry, the seashells, everything, the ocean. We explored a lot. She asked some doubts and I clarified. And this is the one we are now in Sparsa Hotel. This is a good place for stay. When you are coming from India, so many places, you want to stay in a safety place. This is Sparsa is very good. Okay, and Kanyakumari, lot of places available. The basic Kanyakumari, there's one Bagavathi Amman Temple, Temple available, and Shushindram, the Lord Shiva and Brahma Vishnu, that big temple available, and that Bathanavaram Palace, the king who ruled Trivanguru, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, he ruled. That's Bathanavaram Palace, and along with that, is in Sidaral Malai Koil available. And Mathur hanging bridge, that's done by Kamarajar during his chief minister period. He done Mathur hanging with 2 mountains. The water is like a bridge like that. And one Sidra and one falls, Tiruparapu falls like that. So many places here you want to explore, but not one day is enough. You need to at least 3 days. Then only you clearly explore Kanyakumari. It's a good stay. You can enjoy the food, the coconut, the chips, banana chips, that alwa. So many food you can get good tasty, and here is no pollution, no air pollution, no sound pollution. Every hygienic, people are friendly. Okay, now I convey to Sankita. She will share experiences.
So guys, I hope you got all the information about Kanyakumari, and I am really grateful to him for showing me Kanyakumari so beautifully. And you know, I'll always be grateful to him. And
Arun Singh.
yes, I'll be always grateful to Arun Singh.
Top surgical.
Yes. And guys, you know, I don't know, whenever you are coming to Kanyakumari, you can do within 1 or 2 days, but the experience will be really amazing. Just start exploring the places, and here you will find it. The places will be very clean, and you will feel like, you know, staying here for a few days. It's such a nice experience. So guys, I am going to end my Kanyakumari's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and
Like,
stay safe.
subscribe, press the bell button.
Yeah, don't forget to do that, because you know,
Like, ding ding.
like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the
Share-
notification.
you share up to Narendra Modi ji. You will know.
He's such an amazing person. He is so funny. He's making me laugh so much after so many days. I'm laughing. My previous experiences was so horrible.
Yes. He went to Jurassic Park. Horrible.
Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, and bye from Kanya.